Your lead on me. Your lead on me. I follow your authority. I'm with you completely. I'm rooted in your center. For your very eyes, where you lead, I enter. I know they think twice. The one who knows me better. You call me by your name, mighty Jehovah. Your lead on me. Your lead on me. I follow your authority. I'm with you completely. Don't want for nothing cause you are enough. Cause the world offers nothing that you haven't already given.
I cannot be timid, getting bolder every day. Spending more time listening and watching what I say. When you see success, the people may line up to hate. I'm at the table, he prepared, and I'm filling up my plate. And yes, I let him lead me through the valley. Yes, I let him lead me through the storms. And even when they told me that I will be alone, he told me that I'm exactly where I belong.
The one who knows me better. You call me by your name, mighty Jehovah. Your lead on me. Your lead on me. I follow your authority. I'm with you completely. Joy like a river, joy with the flow like water. From your spirit to my spirit, yes it flows, flow. Joy when no get the barrier, it dey bust in me to love. From your spirit to my spirit, yes it flows, flow. This kind of joy, how I want to explain, oh. Money no fee obtain, oh. Joy in the midst of the big day, oh. It dey totally my body, not the matter within my mind now. When challenges come, you say look away and count it all joy now. So I trust your word for me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. This is my morning, morning of my life. Oh, my heart is singing, hallelujah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. This is my morning, cloudy days are gone. Oh, my heart is singing, hallelujah. Father, yes, you fill It's Krill. Every life I
Yeah. I ain't chasing perfection. I'm chasing growth. Every day. A better me.
I had to sit with myself in the quiet. No distraction, no noise to deny it. All the excuses I used to defend started sounding weak when I faced them within. I blame my past for the way I react, blamed other people for what I lack. But healing start when you tell the truth. Can't grow strong if you hide the root. I seen potential I never applied. Dreams I postponed, just feeding my pride. I asked God why I'm stuck in place. He said you comfortable, that's the way.
If I want change, I gotta move. If I want light, I face the truth. I can't pray for growth, then run from you.
I just wanna be a
better me, more love, less ego in me, closer to who God made me to be. Every day step faithfully. I don't need the old version back. I'm letting go, I'm done with that. I'm becoming who I'm meant to be. God shaping better me.
I stopped waiting for a perfect time. Started working on my inner mind. Discipline where my feelings fell. Choosing growth when comfort, yeah. I ain't competing with who ahead. I'm competing with thoughts in my head. Every bad habit I entertain is just another broken chain. So I wake up and I pray first. Even when change feel like it hurt. Consistency over high. Daily steps over overnight. I fall short but I don't quit. God still working brick by brick. I ain't finished, I admit, but I'm further than I've ever been.
Mold me, shape me, even when it breaks me. Teach me, guide me, keep your hand beside me. I just wanna be a better me, more love, closer to who God made me to be. Every day, step faithfully. I don't need the old version back. I'm letting go, I'm done with that. I'm becoming who I'm meant to be. God shaping a better me.
Yeah, first giving honor to God, to Miss Carol who had first brought me and my moms, to the church where I know I ain't been in so long. I just pray that when I call they still pick up the phone. Yeah, with judgment coming from all angles. I'll never defend myself for approval from strangers when they don't give a damn about my kids. So you ain't gotta pray for me, just pray for them. And pray for my mama, pray for my sis. We miss my granny, we need her at times like this. To think I prayed for the world to be back open, just to lose both of my grandparents to COVID. And pray for every one of my little cousins, who was really more like sisters and brothers. I gotta thank them for sharing their dad, cause growing up he was really all that I had. You know, growing up at a young age, my pops got deported to Jamaica. And my uncle stepped up and was the father I never had. So when I say like, gotta thank my little cousins for sharing their dad, they really shared their dad with me. He was the father figure I never had. And he really part of the reason why I am the way I am today. and why I'm as successful as I am in this very moment. Instead of arguing on live, I should have prayed with T-Fly. I could have got straight to the point instead of letting jokes fly. I should have called Ty, cause he don't struggle with his pride. If it was up to him to push to still be alive. So pray for me, pray for YG, pray for PC, pray for TC, pray for Reem, Ace, Jade, and Clean, India and Ty, forever be the squad. Gotta pray for Teddy, gotta pray for Lays. Big S and Lil S, I love them both the same. They're a big part of the reason why I didn't bang. And that's a big part of the reason I'm still here today. So pray for Miko and pray for LMA. Everything we done together kept our family straight. Pray for anybody rocking the 10 Summers chain. And any other homies that I didn't name. You know, it's a lot of homies I ain't naming shit, man. Pray for B-Wade, a real childhood friend. Pray for Noah, my assistant, man. Pray for Shako, the handicapped fool. Pray for my engineer, David. We've been in this motherfucker day in, day out, blood, sweat, and tears for 5 years. Pray for my niggas, Day Day and Glove, man. Them niggas kept us safe so many motherfucking nights. Pray for my nigga Uno, too, man. You know, I can't do this shit without thanking that nigga K-Dot, man. He came through, swing through with the #1 right before the album drop. I ain't even need no rollout. So
Yo, chat, what's up? Good morning, gang. How you guys doing? Let me see some energies in the chat. Come on, let's go. Happy Wednesday, everybody. Drop the energies in the chat. Mountain. Move mountains. What's up, everybody? Come on now. What's up? Move up here. Oh, lit. What's a big 4858? 4858. Oh, feel the range. Nice, cool. Hello, Jagna, long time. How you doing? How you doing? How you doing? All right, gang. Let me do top down here. Let's start with the daily time frame. Let's have a look on the weekly first. Wow, what's happening? Oh, you've been watching quietly. Oh, nice. Oh. You're just not interacting with the chat. You're just you're just there watching. Yeah, nice, cool. Yeah, weekly fill the week already. Nice. All right, so daily time frame. So as you can see here on the previous candle, the previous daily candle, as you can see, we have week fill, and right now we open up, I guess, gap here, and we still have gap on the which price is this? 4707, right? So let's see if we can have the fill the gap on later tonight. But right now, as you can see, we got resistance form, support is probably down here, and we have open up the new candles how many pip we move already. Just for the day, we move 1,500 pip. It's massive move towards the upside. I guess this is all about the ceasefire happening right now. And 5,000, where is that? Oh, here. So there is a high chance, Chad, that probably gonna move up even further after you form support form, resistance form. But we need to see if this candle gonna close above. If this candle gonna close above, yes, there is a high chance, okay, that we can probably move up even further, right? But if this candle move, if this candle close above, right, and we still have gap here that needs to be filled. All right, so yeah, we still have range, good range, massive range to move up here. This kind of range is massive. So let's see here, dropping down to the 4-hour time frame. So 4-hour time frame here. So right now, as you can see, we got previous resistance on the left hand side. We got resistance right here, support probably down here, and we have a new resistance form on the structure. You look at this, right? And we tap the resistance on the left hand side. So we got minor levels that we need to be worried about. So yeah, so bullish right now. It's Man, it's basically bullish for the day. But let's see if we can grab some potential sells going down here. So early, as you can see, we got resistance form, right? We have resistance form, we had support form structure. Overall range, this on the early time frame, 30 minutes time frame. Okay, it looks the same. 15. I guess the same. Yeah. So, yeah. Big range. Holy. Let me see this. Support. Resistance. 3 minutes for the candle to close. Alright, let's see if we can grab some buys too. Alright, we're bullish for the day. Are we gonna look for buys? Yeah. Alright, so yeah, man. What's up, Race? How you doing? Robius, how you doing? Raj's live is very funny. What happened? Yeah, we have two. We have two special guests. They're playing. They're both playing. Playing around. See, look at that. He took some signal from the guy. Oh my god. Holy. Where was that? Oh, he lose 2.50. Yeah, he's in the challenge now, right? 50 to 50K. So yeah, man, he can achieve this easily. All right, 1 minute for the candle to close. Hourly close, 30 close. So stock in a range. Lower time frame, stock in a range here. All right, give me a second. Damn, what's happening on my chart here? Oh, lit. Hey. What's happening? There's a problem with trading view. Yeah, I guess there's a problem with trading view. Oh my god. So I'm gonna look in the chart right now. You guys have same problem too? Let me know. Even MT5. Yeah, MT5. My MT5 still okay. The trading view. Holy. What's happening here? Hey. Even Zoom is not working? Oh. What is this, man? The Matrix making a move. Yeah. Maybe Dubai. It's working. Yeah, maybe in Dubai. You're in Philippines, right? Can you check the trading view? It's fine. Mine is not working now. It's glitching. Yeah, look at that. Would you look at that? Holy. It's not working. Hmm. TV is on ceasefires. Let me see on my mobile. Yeah, my mobile doesn't working also the MT5 here. I don't know, maybe the internet problem with me or what? Because we're doing it's still the live stream is ongoing, right? So I think my internet was good. Yeah, I guess trading view has a problem here. Oh, Yeah, trading view is not working. Damn. But my MT5, yeah, MT5 I guess working. What can I do right now? Nothing. Another browser. Yeah, let's see here. Trading view. I'm gonna use. Yeah, it looks the same, I guess. Yeah, Google. Yeah, it looks the same. Look at that. Man. It's working for you, Riz, on your computer? Still working now, yeah. But if I use data, my trading view is working on my mobile. But if I use the Wi-Fi, it's not working. Holy smokes. Why is not working? Oh, now it's working. Okay. All right. We're Gucci. We're back. We are back. Cool, pretty cool. Man, you have some, sometimes we need to see some issues glitching because of what happening right now in the world. Sometimes we need to see that. Right, gang? Sometimes we need to see that. Yeah, technical problems, technical difficulties. All right, we stuck in the range still here. No trade for us. So any closure above, any closure below, man, it's good. It's Gucci. It's goody, it's goody, it's goody. Chat, 10 more subs to reach those 1K subs, man. Can we do it today? 1K subs. We just need 1K subs. One K subs. Okay, we have FOMC later tonight, 10 p.m. No news on the NYSE tomorrow. We got CPI Friday. Now it's all good, gang. In your side, trading is all good now, or what? In my side now, it's all good. Two minutes and 40 seconds. Nothing. Doji candle. Do-do-do-do-do. This candle decides to move up, it will move up. Oh, sorry, I'm muted, man. Sorry. Oh my god, why I'm muted, bro? Why you guys don't tell me I'm muted? Sorry, chat. What's up, Rico? My bias for today, I'm still bullish on price. Okay, I'm still bullish on price, but right now, I'm open for sell too. All right, I'm open for sells. I'm open for buys, but I'm pretty much bullish for the day. So, I probably needs to wait for some retracement here to move down. So as you can see on the left, we have some gap here. So let's see if we can fill that today. But I'm open for bias and sell. Overall bias is bullish. I thought you didn't know. I hope it fill the gap. Yeah, let's see here. Let's see. Probably we're gonna wait for some corrections. 5 minutes for the candle to close. Okay, nice. Gray broke the lows. 30 minutes candle flip. Gray broke the current candle low. Okay, cool. Interesting. Mm, would you look at that? Rebroke the previous candle low in the early time frame. Ooh. For our flip? No, not yet. Not yet. Almost. Almost flip. So as you can see here on the left hand side, we got at man, at least we got some really structure that we need to be aware of, right? So look at this. So too many wicks and we got support, right? And then the next support is probably down here. So now I'm gonna ask myself, because right now we're moving down heavy. Do we need to take sell on the next candle? It depends, right? Because we have, a structure that price can top and react heavy. So for me, I'm probably gonna mark this as support, the next support. So I'm probably gonna take the next if the candles close below, because we have clean traffic on the left hand side here, this one. So look at this. This is the clean traffic. Look at that. How many pip? This can move. Damn, 600 pip. Holy. So right now, let's see here. Because there is a high chance that once we tap this, will react. See, look at that. Because of bullish momentum. Boom, boom. Cha, I'm gonna ask you right now. What's your plan on this kind of situation? Like you see on the chart right now, price moving down. What's your plan? Let me see your answer. Right now, what's your plan? Raja is very angry right now. Look at that. He's saying don't follow any analysis from the others. He was, he was right now. He's angry for losing $2.50. I feel the pain. See, look at that. He was. Oh. Waiting for a strong support to continue buying. Yeah. Sales are looking too easy. I'm gonna wait for 30 minutes base for buy. 30 minutes. So yeah, 30 minutes is about to close here in 13 seconds. I already took my short in 4812. Oh, 4812. Impulse sales? Where's that? Oh, what's that setup? Taking sales there. What this kind of setup? 4812 is this, right? What's this setup? What is this setup called? You take a sell here right now. What this setup called here? Yeah. Let me check. Let me see what's this setup. 4812. Because for me there's no cells here on 4812. Yeah. Right, just got yeah, for buys here, yeah, we need to wait for the candle to close above the range. This one, this kind. Back in the range, and then the next candle close above. That's pretty much the idea there. But yeah. See, look at the 15. It didn't close below. Man. Oh, lit. Michael, what this setup called on your strategy? You took a sell here, so let me guess. Let me know what this setup called. 4812. You took a sell. My confirmation above is bearish FVG and also waited for the candle closure below. Oh, okay, nice, cool. 5 minutes FBG or FBG. Yeah, nice. W. How much you got there from here to here? Oh, 130 pips. Oh, look. Yeah, pretty clean to move down. That was impulse move. W. Mm. Oh, yeah. See chat. Right now, they're saying the Strait of Hormuz is open right now. It's all about business, man. You look at that. Look at the news, right? Look at how they control the world right now. Would you look at that? Oh, moving. Candles are moving. No top awake. Shout out to 27 viewers right now. Oh, 9 more subs, chat, for 1K subs, man. 9 more subs for the 1K subs. Chat, make sure you like the stream here, right? Like the stream. Can I see 20 likes in the stream? Please like the stream, share it. Do you also use impulse entry for some situations? Yeah, I use impulse entry. So there is some there's two kind of impulse entry. So the first one, let's see this. So let's give you guys some scenario. It's vice versa too, right? So let's say we're driving down towards to the downside, right? Like this, and oh wait. So first we're gonna use support form. Okay, so next candle move down, and the next candle didn't close below, right? And then we got wicks on the left. So this is my first impulse entry. So if we know that we got a lot of volumes to the market, we're gonna wait for the candles to open, probably make a top wick. And then if this candle start to have a reject on the creating a top wick, and then starting to rebroke the previous candle low, that's gonna be the impulse entry. So technically it's gonna look like this. So you're gonna enter on the rebroke of this, probably stop loss. You're gonna keep it above the previous one or the current candle. So it depends how you gonna put the stops. But basically it's above previous candle. So this is the impulse entry. Right? You don't need to wait for the candle to close below to take a trade because you know that it's gonna head down, right? So that's the first idea, and the second idea here is gonna be um like this. So we are moving down, and suddenly this candle probably, you know, close wick like this, right? And you want to take a sell because we have a clean traffic to move down. So you're gonna wait for the candle to open. This looks the same too, and starting to rebroke the low. It's just impulse move. Alright, this is the second idea, or you can have that here. Let's say moving up. Once again, we stuck in a range, right? And then this candle didn't close above. and it closed like weak body bullish. So there is a high chance that we can probably move down pretty heavy like this. So yeah, that's the idea. It's the same how you took the buys too, right? If you want to buy like this, right? So the first idea is you need to wait for the open of the candle, then take buys like this. Entry on the rebroke. And then for impulse, right? For impulse here, or let's say like this, and the candle didn't close above. Let's say like this, right? So you can take buy here. So candle open, boom, should move up. So this kind is the impulse entry. So this is the first. So the impulse. Wait, I'm gonna change the color. Right, impulse, impulse, impulse. That makes sense. That's two type of impulse entry. In this one, we cannot take impulse because there is a lot of wick. It's a big wick. It's a big wick here. So you cannot take impulse. If this candle closed like this, yeah, there is a high chance that we can probably grab those impulse. Alright. Yeah, rebroke the low, should move down. Boop. Makes sense? Shout out to 32 viewers right now. How you guys doing? If you guys have any questions, let me know. Make sure drop a like, subs to the channel. Doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Gucci, Robes, Gucci. That was Gucci, huh? All right, rebroking the previous candle low. Sample size that mo. Yeah, you can sample size that with lower lot size and then do it. Oh, lit. Okay. Can we drop heavy now without any top wick? The 4-hour flip bearish now. Okay, can we feel the range here? Can we feel the range? I like this, chat. I like this. You know, we are going back to the support. What's that? Ooh. One more. All right. So it's clean now. Okay. Now the sales is happening right now. What we're gonna wait is new support form to take buys. Right? We're gonna wait for a new support form to take buys. That's it. All right, Goldie, can we melt? In 3, 2. Can we melt? Still, you know, can we melt till 4774 here? I want to see melt. It's pretty clean to move down. You don't need to be shy, Goldie. Oh, 16 minutes for the candle to close. Holy, nice. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Goldie. Silver is a much better play. Oh, I'm not trading silver. I'm not trading oil too. So focus more on gold. One pair is enough for me. Alright, we close below. We close below. Nice, nice. But the 30 is still open here. No top wick. No top wick. So let's see if we can move down here. I don't want to chase the move already, gang. We move a lot. Right? We move a lot. I don't want to force things. 30 minutes still open. Hourly still open. This is the last candle of the hourly and 30 minutes. So probably gonna wait for the 4 hour closure now. Hourly close 30 and 15. So right now, gang, as you can see, we move down as as per the plan. If the candle closed below, move down. But there's no closure yet on the 15. Right now we got the closure, but it's late candle volume. Late candle closure. Now I just told you my overall bias for the day is bullish. Alright, but I'm open for sells too. Right now, if we form a new support form here, I might take buy. If we see this, yeah, I might take buy to retest this high here. That's gonna be the idea. Right? Look at how we play with the candles, how we play with the price actions. That's why price action is the king. If you guys gonna learn price actions, man, 9 minutes, man. Still 9 minutes. If we hover here, if we stay like this on the 50 minutes time frame, yeah, we're probably gonna hop on this 150 pip range to move up. For selling, it should go below, yeah, below this range, below 4792. Hmm. 4 minutes and 40 seconds here. Goldie. Goldie, move. Can we move Chat, 8 more subs, man. 8 more subs. Come on. All right. 2 minutes. Ooh, interesting. Would you look at that? Would you look at that? Alrighty. No buenos yet. I think we're gonna wait for the last 15 minutes. One more 15 minutes candle. For our close, man, early close looks clean to move down here, chat. Believe me. You close below the range. So yeah, man. But let's see if we're gonna move down. Oh, 7 more subs, man. Seven more subs. I don't think if we can have 7 more subs for the day. Probably tomorrow, we're gonna lock in those 1K subs. Tomorrow, let's see. It's made over 2 trades in paper trading in your stream, Ezra, and then I trade them. I had one loss and one breaker tips because as soon as I trade a real account, I lose. Oh, so it's man. Because in paper trading, it's demo account is basically it's a demo, right? There's no emotions there. So probably just if you have an eval account, a challenge account, just take trades and don't be afraid to lose, you know. Maybe you are setting your mind that oh this trade this setup is probably gonna take me an L. I remove those mindset, just sample size the trade. You don't need to worried about the trade because if you're following the plan, following your rules, if you took a trade, you don't need to worried about because it's a trade, you know. You don't need to be worried, oh, it's gonna be L's, it's gonna be dubs. Just let it go. That's it. Don't be scared to take the lose, to take the L's. It's part of a game. Taking L's in trading is part of a game. So we need to be better on losing. I blew too many funded accounts. I blew live funded accounts too. So I know the pain. It's really painful, but it is what it is. You need to grow on those pain. You need to be better on those pain. That's why right now I'm better. You know, I'm better. And I know that I'm gonna blue more funded account because I focus more on funded. And it's pretty normal. Remember that it's pretty normal to lose a trade. Because if you are winning so much winning on trading, you're gonna be more confident. Oh, okay, it's gonna win. This trade is gonna win, and I don't care. And no, I'm not gonna manage my risk. I'm not gonna put again my stop loss. I'm gonna let it run. Shoot what it coulda. Gonna let it run this trade. No, you need to understand all things is probability. So don't be afraid. Don't be scared. Because as per your message, as per your chat, you are a bit scared on how you gonna manage that. If it's con- if it's keep falling by creating continuous resistance, how we will enter that? We are probably gonna enter on the rebroke of the lows here. If this candle close below the range, yes, we can probably enter here because we have clean traffic on the left hand side. So yeah, that pretty much the idea. But right now there's no closure, so we're gonna wait for the candle to close. But right now I'm interesting for buys here. Oh, I'm interesting for buys here. So I'm gonna look. I'm gonna remove this. If this candle close like this, yeah, I'm interesting for buy. I'm gonna be take buys on the rebroke. Mm-mm-mm. Fraud Grim, you just need to keep going. Just keep going, bro. Avoid the noise. You just need to keep going. Going and going and growing. How many years you're trading now? 3 months. Oh man, just 3 months. Just take your time, bro. You are still on the learning phase, so learn the craft, learn the skill. You don't need to rush things. So it's basically all the lows that you have right now. It's all tuition fee in the market. Yeah, you are still in beginning phase. So yeah, focus on more skill. Focus on learn the craft. If you want to learn the strategy, I know you're hop on of every single day on the strategy. I mean on the stream. So just keep hop on, just keep watching me and you're gonna learn here a lot. I believe you're learning a lot here, right? And I hope you're learning. Give yourself at least 3 to 6 months locking in with me every single day, Monday through Friday, bro. You're gonna learn a lot of things. When I start trading, I just watch Raja Bang's videos, and I learn from it. I learn from it, learning by myself, and understand how the strategy really works. And you're gonna find your edge. You're gonna find your edge. Just curious, why aren't you trading own account if it reference if right now I am focusing more on funded account. I wanna become max allocated in FTMO, but probably soon. I don't wanna like give myself right now as a challenge, like let's say 1K into 10K. No, I don't wanna do that. Because I did that last year. My 1K, it become to 8K. Oh, I stopped doing those. It's gonna be more pressure rather than focusing more on funded account, because if you pass the funded account easy, you can make a payout. Probably, probably next year, start small capital. Like I want to start with a 10K. 10k USD. Start that and then grow from there. Because if you want to start with the 500 account, 1k, yeah, that's pretty much good idea, but for me still it's not gonna sustain my psychology. Raja Banks he's in the market, he's in trading for 10 years now. So it's for him it's easy. He made a million already. I haven't seen million in my bank account too. So I don't wanna compare myself into the other trader, right? Into them, because I'm still, baby into the market. I'm still small fish in the big pond. You get my point? That's why I'm focusing more on funded account. I guess it's easy to, to build 1k into 10k, but I don't want to do that for now, yeah. And I can do that too, but it's like I guess it's stress. I need to be, pressure in this kind of situation because I want to grow those 1k, right? But I don't want to do that. I don't want to pressure myself because I've been there. I've been there in the situations last year. 1k into 8k and then I withdrew it all. That's it. Told myself, yeah, I think this is gonna be the end of my challenge and 1k to 10k. So stop 1k into 8k. It's fine for me, and then yeah, focus more on buying funded account. All right, 1 minute here. It's interesting here. I'm interested with this kind of closure. Probably buys on the rebroke of 15 minutes candle high here, right? Because this has no top wick yet. This 30 might create a top wick and move down. So that's gonna be the pretty much idea. All right, gang. So locked in. If you wanna take this trade, take it. If you don't like, just watch the price move. Gonna be below this or below. Yeah, probably here. 100 pip stops. Looks okay for me. I need a top wick. Goldie, we need a top wick, okay? Damn, Goldie, no top wick. Would you look at that, Goldie? So now we need a bottom wick. Yeah, we have a top wick here, the 15. That's the late candle move. Yeah, I think this is gonna be good. Buy stop on the rebroke of the previous candle 15 high. Buy stop. If we did not activate within 9 minutes here, yeah, might remove those buy stop. Call it a stream. Come back on the NY session. Doo-doo-doo, doo-doo-doo, doo-doo-doo. Doo-doo-doo. Oh, that's the buy stop on the 30 minutes rebroke too. Nice. Tururu, tururu. Shout out to 39 viewers right now. How you guys doing? Welcome to the YouTube live stream. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, subs to the channel, like the stream. And if you guys want to follow me on IG, link is in description below for more trading content. Man, last 6 more subs, man. 6 more subs for 1K subs. 6 more subs. Doo-doo-doo-doo. Oh, a late candle push. All right, I'm activated on buys here, gang. Oh, late. Activate on buys here. Okay, nice. Can we push up a little further more? Stop loss is gonna be kept below the structure. And full TP here. Probably here I'm gonna move my stops to break even once we reach there. Probably close partials too. Full TP above here. Yeah. Let's see if we can move up here. Interesting here. Interesting. Who's on buys here too? Let me know in the chat. We are on buys. Look at that. Would you look at that? We got runner? Yeah, we got runner. I hope we move. I hope we can move a lot here. Goldie push. Goldie push. Wanna see push. You're out? It's okay. I'm gonna hold this a little bit. I'm gonna hold this BE out. For me, I didn't take anything. I didn't close any partial. I picked, I believe, 23 pips. But I want to see this run, you know. If this probably move down, I'm going to manage my risk once we push here. But I'm going to let this run. Moving stops on 4805 probably. One more push. Okay, rebroke the height. One more time. Okay, nice. All right, moving stops to break even right now, and closing some partials here probably. I close hop and let it run. Man, W chat. Can I see W's in the chat? All right, ooh, 36 pip, 40 pips in profit right now, chat. Look at that. Ooh. Ooh, runners. Ooh, holy. That was a nice trade. One more here. Probably I'm gonna close 50% more. One more rebroke and gonna close 50% more. We got runner. Holy. We got a runner. All right, yeah. Closing 50% more right here and then let it run here. Double is in the chat. Come on, baby. Come on now, gold. I know you want to push up even further. Right, shout out 37 viewers. Oh, 4 more subs here, chat. Come on. 4 more subs. We need 4 more subs. Can we do it today? Before we end the stream, can we do it? Can we do it? Can we do it? Can we do it the 1K subs today, man? With some W's in the chat. 3 more subs. Come on, let's go. Come on, chat. 3 more subs, man. With some W's in the chat. Subs to the channel, my friends. Come on. One minute. Can we survive? Goldie, can we survive? Can we move up now? Oop. Goldie, don't do it. Goldie, I want a runner here. Oh, Goldie, no. Gold, no. All right. I'm out there, chat. I'm out. 47 pips. Would you look at that? 47 pips. $47, W. It's a 15, right? 15 onion. I'll put onion here. Break of the previous candle high and low. Yeah, onion by Goldie. London, it's 1:15 p.m. Trade. Today, 4/8/2026. Nice. Well, 47, W. Full 15. Previous onion buy gold. Eight, 2026. Right? Nice dubs here, chat. Come on. Nice W there. Buys plus 47 pips. Stream record 102. And monthly 1 dubs. Nice, nice, nice. We got some buys there, chat, too. Let me know in the chat. We got some buys. I guess we're done today. We took buys. Got $374 there. W. 374 must be nice. 374, yeah. I thought we can run towards to the upside, but we reject on the wicks here. Look at this wicks 4807. Yeah, because this 30 minutes didn't push through, didn't create a top wick. That's why. Yeah. I mean, yeah. But overall today was a good trade. It was a good trade. Will taking me out. So yeah, I'm right now because there is a lot of volume to the market. My plan is I'm gonna let it run I'm gonna let it run the trade and probably levels, mark the levels so we can hit the target, so we can move the stops to break even, partials and all. So yeah, that's gonna be a pretty much good idea probably. But overall, it's really really good. Right, gang? Really good, right? So yeah, chat. Any more Brenos? Any questions for the trade or whatever? Any questions in your mind right now? I think we can half of the chart, call it a stream here, call it a day probably, right? All right, I guess we're done for today, chat. Probably thank you guys for tuning into the live stream. Probably the 1K subs we're gonna reach probably tomorrow. And yeah, man, thank you guys for tuning into the live stream today. Really appreciate you all. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. If you guys got the trade, W's in the chat. Peace and love, everybody. I'm out here. W's all the way out here, gang. Peace.
It don't matter if it's rain or shine today, cause I know the God is on my side today. Ay, I'm so happy I woke up today. Put a little coffee in my cup today. To anyone who feels a little stuck today, don't forget that God made us enough today. Hey, wake up in the morning, brush my teeth, then I'm gone. Go outside and put my bare feet on the lawn. I used to be sour, now I'm sweet, Cinnabon. Way you judging me, you judge yourself. Ooh, that's wrong. Oh, what a blessing, I get to sing your praise, Lord. This type of love no money could ever pay for. That's why I dance when I think about what you paid for. Need I say more? Hey, I'm so happy I'm alive today. I'm so happy I can see the light today. It don't matter if it's rain or shine today, cause I know the God is on my side today. Ay, I'm so happy I woke up today. Put a little coffee in my cup today. To anyone who feels a little stuck today, don't forget that God made us enough today. Enough today. And if God made you enough, don't settle for lesser. If you're feeling stuck, don't forget you are His best work. Better than the trees and the birds in the sky. He said that He loves you and He can never lie. Oh, what a blessing, I get to sing your praise, Lord. This type of love no money could ever pay for. That's why I dance when I think about what you paid for. Need I say more? Ay, I'm so happy I'm alive today. I'm so happy I can see the light today. It don't matter if it's rain or shine today, cause I know the God is on my side today. Ay, I'm so happy I woke up today. Put a little coffee in my cup today. To anyone who feels a little stuck today, don't forget that God made us enough today. Enough today. Binabawi ko na di ko pala kaya mag-isa't solo. Gusto kong samahan mo ako. Minsan lang mag-iis dahil okay na sa sandapolo. Pero ngayon nakatodo para kung dumating ka sa party, yeah. Baka gumana yung pagpapansin kung sakaling akalain mo nga buweras ko pa rin kasi naging kaibigan ka. Binabago ang iyong malang ngiti at ang ganda mo pa rin, oh God. Pagkatapos nito sana ay libre. Meron na po importanteng sasabihin. Ngayon lang ako magiging kampante. Love you since day one. Noon pa lang alam ko na ikaw na yon. Kaya ko pagbibigyan mo sana ng isang iyang sana. Gagawin lahat if you wanna, cause I've been loving you since day one. Yeah, ay, yung sana I'm a big boss, oma. Pera na agoma. Two sprays bago lumabas ma-aroma. Tama mo sa bore, malakas, walang bowa. Bolin ako kahit walang bola. Yung pananamit, nagputayabang sobra. Talagang sa'yo na lang di makaporma. Kahit ano